guys, it's your girl MajestyCarrie here. I know I've not been around in a minute, been doing a lot of moving, you guys, literally. uh it's been a lot going on. It's been hectic for me. I've been going through like having some anxiety because yeah, I'm moving, and only a handful of people know that I'm moving. And you guys are not gonna know where I'm moving to until I get there. But it's been several days, and I've been packing and packing a little bit of here, packing a little bit there, and it's just stressful. It's very, very stressful trying to pack up your entire life in just a few suitcases. Everybody know, well, people that know me personally, they know that, I got a gang of stuff. I got a lot of stuff, and I've been selling stuff, my shoes, some clothes I've been giving away, my furniture, everything. So a few tips that I can say for you if you're moving far away and you have to pack up your entire life to move. Start early. Start as early as possible getting rid of things that you know that you can't take with you, or it's just that hard to part with. Part with it early, get it out the way, because right now that's what I'm having the trouble doing. I'm having the trouble getting rid of things and letting things go, because my baby called me a hoarder, but I'm not a hoarder. I just love fashion, and everybody knows that. I got a lot of stuff. Like I said, I got a lot of stuff. So yeah, so right now, today, it is like the week before leaving, and I'm actually packing up bags that I'm shipping there. So what I did was, one of the things I did was that I contacted a shipping company so that I can be able to get as much of my stuff that I really love and I don't want to part with. I'm shipping those things there, so it'll be there either ahead of me or a little bit after me. And then I'll take the remaining things on the plane with me to check in. So yeah, I've been going through these bags because there are certain things with this company that you can send and some things you can't send. So I'm trying to be very cautious about what I'm putting in these bags that I'm sending. So I've been just going over these bags and weighing them on this little scale. So I got this little scale from Amazon some time ago when I first started doing like some major traveling, because I want to make sure that like my suitcases and stuff is not overweight. So each suitcase that I am sending is like the 40-inch suitcases, collapsible suitcases that you get on Amazon. I'll show y'all those in a minute. And then yeah, I all of them have to be less than 50 pounds for the amount that I am paying. So I am sending quite a few. Not gonna let y'all know how many until they're there, because y'all gonna be like, that is a shame, Carrie. You knew better than that. But you get what I'm saying? Like, I want my stuff, so I gotta do what I got to do. You feel me? Do what I got to do. So yeah. And oh yeah, if this is the first time you guys seeing me wearing my reading glasses, I am in glasses now because your girl couldn't see no more. Like, it was beginning to be very, very foggy. But that's neither here nor there. It's beside the point. So yeah, the way I've been packing, and it is I think it's like it's 5:15 in the morning. I've not been asleep because tomorrow morning the shipping company is coming to pick up these bags, and they have to be ready. So I want to make sure that they all are under the weight and ready to be picked up. So yeah, that is what I'm doing right now. I got Okay, hold on. Let me just go through this with you guys. Hold on. What is this? Okay. Nope. Let's turn my light off. Okay. So, see if I know. Okay, so this is how I'm packing this bag, right? I don't know. I should have showed y'all all of them, but this is one. Okay, so this is one of the bags, and it goes. So this is one of the bags, and it goes taller than this because it can unzip and get a little bit taller than this. But what I did was I lined it with some construction plastic bags, because you know, if it rains or something like that, if the bag gets wet and the water goes through, I don't want my items to get wet. So I lined it with the plastic bag, and then I put one of these like storage bags inside with the zip up thing, and I just laid my stuff inside, you know, like just like that. And then so once it gets to the top, I usually just zip it here, and then I close it up with the plastic bag, and then I zip. Let me show y'all. So, put all the bag in there. Of course, I wrap it better than that though, and then zip it up, and then everything is nice and secure. So yeah, don't judge my house. Everything looks a tragic mess. Everything looks a tragic mess. So this is shit. This is packing 101. Let me see. So the bedroom set, everything is sold. The girl just gotta come and pick it up. I took all of my perfumes. Remember, all of my perfumes that was there, it's all gone. I gotta pack this, and I have to pack this. My camera. Everything is everywhere, okay, y'all? So these are two of the bags that I've done. These are two of the bags I've done. And what I'm doing is, you see how I'm numbering the bags. I'm labeling the bags. So this is, oh shit, I guess it tells you how many bags I have now. So this is 6, 5. That's 4 over there. And then 2 and 3 is in the glam room. So yeah, this is how they look in the end when they all are finished. And you know, I labeled them, and then in my phone I have the numbers, and I wrote down what's in each bag to just keep inventory for myself, because I just like to know where everything is. So when I unpack, I know where everything is. So I'm trying to be a little bit organized, and plus I have to put a slide piece of paper inside of the bag with my inventory of what's inside of each bag. Yeah, y'all, so this is what the glam room is looking like, y'all. Yeah, y'all know, y'all never seen my glam room look like this, honey. This is moving, honey. This is packing. Stuff is everywhere. And those 1, 2, and 3 here in the room, I gotta remove that stuff, but those are packed, and so those go. These luggage sets, I've already sold those. They just gotta come and pick them up. Yeah, so this is one of the luggages that's actually going on the plane with me. I just gotta finish putting my things in there. I'm gonna show you how I pack this bag whenever I get to it. Right now, I just want to get these bags settled so that they can go with the shipping company. and then I can see my way through, y'all. This is stressful. It's very, very stressful. Yeah, this is very stressful. It looks stressful, don't it? Yeah, my house never looked this crazy and like upset. This is upset right now. But I'm getting to things. I still have things over here that I have to haul. So within this week, I'm going to have to haul those things. And then I got a box of Shein stuff down here that I need to haul so I can put that in a suitcase. And I have to wrap my sewing machine up. And just everything. Everything is everywhere. But I'm working it out slowly but surely. I'm trying to get things prepared. Hopefully, I can get my mind in the game. Like I said, this has been a process. So yeah, hopefully you guys stay tuned for the rest of this scenario, whatever you want to call it. Because honestly, I wasn't going to film this stuff. I was just going to start over, brand new, fresh, where I'm going to be, and I just let it ride from there. But I figured that I need to give you guys some sort of explanation of why I've been going and why I'm just here and there and bouncing around with my channel and stuff like that. I've really been just trying to get things together on this end and trying to, protect my mental health and my physical health as well. Just everything. So now I'm getting back in the game. I said, I'm going through all of this, and I'm really people need to see this, because if you have like a dream of moving somewhere that's pretty far away from home, you need to know like the details of how things will go. And I would make another video, like a detailed video of what steps I took to move. But this, I just wanted you guys to see this, because this is really like most of like the vulnerable stage of it all, when you really just cannot figure your way through this mess. Like, it's like I know what I'm doing, but it's like I don't, it's like I don't want to overpack, but I don't want to leave anything. So to me, it's not overpacking, because I'm taking this to my new home versus me going on vacation and coming back to my stuff. So there is no overpacking, okay? It's pack your shit that you want to take and donate what you don't, period. So yeah, I was trying to pack light, basically, like, just take the absolute necessary things that I needed, but I can't. I was like, fuck, I'm taking what I want, because it's mine and I want it, so I'm paying what I need to pay to get it there. But yeah, so I'm sorry, you guys, I'm just rambling at 5 something in the morning. I hope that you guys stick around with me, stick around with your girl, because I promise you that I'm coming back with the vengeance. I'm coming back with hauls. I'm coming back with some more makeup tutorials, beauty related tutorials, skincare routine, a few shower routine, like things like that. Like, I got a lot of things in my notes that I really want to try. So yeah, just stick around with me for that. And then some more travel, because I noticed like some of my new people, some of my new subbies, thank you for subscribing, that you guys have been enjoying my travel videos. And so I wanted to get more into that, more into the traveling and fashion as well. So you may not see too much beauty, but I'm not gonna leave y'all hanging. So just stick in there with me. We coming together with this. Just let me handle this, finish this up, and then we coming back strong, y'all. I got a lot of stuff for y'all. Y'all gonna be ready. Y'all, I hope y'all ready. That's what I want to say. Hope y'all ready, because we definitely coming back strong. Sorry that I ain't got no cute hair on today. This is my moving hair. This is my moving hair, y'all. It's just a regular wig. I got 2 pigtails, and then I got the pigtails pent up because I ain't want none of them back. Yeah, I appreciate y'all hanging with me this early morning. You know, this was good. This was good. I needed to talk to y'all, because if you ain't got no friends, I got y'all. You feel me? You feel me? I got y'all. And y'all got me forever and always. So I will be back with another one. Just wait. I'm gonna drop it. It should be soon right after this one. So yeah, just be waiting for it. It's coming, y'all. It's coming. And I'm coming out my Instagram, because normally that's where I drop it. My Instagram, my Facebook. I don't really dig Twitter like that, but I will drop something on there every now and then. Y'all already know everything is MajestyCarrie or MajestyCarrie1. Also, my TikTok. I need to get better with TikTok. I'm working on it, y'all. So just go there, follow me there, and yeah, just wait on the good stuff. I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm coming. Yeah, even Siri tired of me, y'all. She is tired of Siri. 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 You tired of me? You tired of mama? You tired of mama? Hmm? You tired of mama? Yeah, I'm not tired of you. I'm not tired of you. You ready to pack? All right. All right. Okay. Okay. Okay, girl. Go back over there. And she like, why you do me like that? Anyway. So yeah, guys. I appreciate you guys hanging out with me. I will see you in the next one. Thank you and God bless. MajestyCarrie. I'm out.